everyone, I'm Emily from District 89. Let me say that, well, I have successfully logged in my Toastmasters account. How do I get started? What speech project shall I work on? Let's start with selecting your path.
On your TI page, go to Pathways and click Choose a Path. Make sure you have logged in your account. On the left-hand side, you can choose your path by clicking Continue to Path Selection. As a new member, you enjoy your first path free of charge. Now, let's click Continue to Path Selection. Here, you can select your path language. You can choose English, Traditional Chinese, or Simplified Chinese here. Then you can choose how you would like to access your materials, either digital resources to access online or printed materials to be delivered to you by email. For digital resources, you can also download the resources and print out the materials at your own convenience. So we click Select Digital Resources. Then select how you would like to select your learning path. So there are two options. Either you fill all path options or you take an online assessment. If you click on Fill all path options, then click Continue, you can see all 11 paths. You can open them to see the path descriptions. And after reading them, you can select one directly that best match your personal goal. Or you may choose Take Assessment, select your preferred language, then answer some questions about your personal interests and goals. And then the system will recommend 3 best match paths for you. Then you can select one of them, or at that time, you can still choose any one out of the 11 paths. After selecting, you will see a message, "Thank you for enrolling in Toastmasters path." Then you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email for the confirmation from TI. And then you can scroll down to check whether it is the path that you have selected. For example, for me here, I have selected Strategic Relationships. If it's all right, then you can click Pathway Start page over here to access your pathways journey. In case this is not the path that you have selected, you can change your path within 30 days of receiving it. If you are using Basecamp, your new path will replace your current path at no cost. If you are using printed materials, you must mail your current path materials to Toastmasters International World Headquarters to receive your new path. Make sure you make any change within 30 days, or you will need to purchase a new path. Now that this is the path that you have selected, you can click Pathway Start page, or you can log in to your TI website directly to access your pathways journey.